Hello YouTube, welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Rhea Skinners. This video, I would like to talk to you guys a little bit about, in this video, the reason why I'm wanting to talk about the Rhea Skinner traffic that makes a lot of places different. Well, sometimes going on Rhea reference sometimes can be quite a hassle, okay? Well, a lot of us know that, and that's the reason why, you guys. That's the reason why that we got to do like whatever our place tells us, like whatever we want. So, so the first thing that makes it really like different is that the Rhea Skinner feeds inside the United States, like with the encryption and everything. I'm sorry to say this, you guys, but sometimes we just need a little bit more days that we can relax, like a little bit more days that we can get our thoughts in. And in the Rhea Skinner traffic, something else that I've been doing some thinking of. It's like the Rhea traffic inside the United States. Something that makes that really interesting, and something that's gotten me on that is that there is like a lot of like encrypted around this area, which does it like really kind of odd. And like the first thing that makes it really kind of odd, it's like whenever you guys go to like resorts and you guys are trying to figure out like what are the Rhea Skinner problems, a lot of people are like saying, okay, so I know the Rhea Skinner problems are mainly at like the hotels, but another thing is whenever you guys do like your so much research, like so much stuff like that, like for instance, like I use free scanned computer software for a reason. And I listen to my Rhea scanners for a reason because sometimes in Indiana there will be days that people are breaking the law. There will be days that different people are doing that. But just to let you guys know, that's what makes this country really interesting. Now, now, if I turn you guys around to my computer, so you guys see that I'm currently trying to look at the area of Palm Springs, California, and we all know Palm Spring, Palms Palm Springs uses like all these radio scanner feeds for their channel. So they even use this Eastern Riverside County Interop Communication Authority system, which you guys can see like pretty much everything and anything you guys can listen to. So like the first thing, which I think is really interesting, is if I go down here, sorry guys, as another thing which I don't like about this computer. So we see Palm Springs right here. They got like on campus use. Hold on, I gotta turn you guys around for a minute because I don't want nobody to see that. So on here we got on campus use. So you guys can listen to 461.275 and 464.15 all together, and that right there makes it like really interesting. So this right here, this is their radio system for their ambulance, which you see almost everything there is NXDN. But look at their fire department. That's what doesn't make sense, okay? So you see on here, like this right here, these are like all their fire response, all right? So this is their sheriff's office, which they got Lake Bones air support. They got the desert area right here, which uses a sheriff's interface. Now, if we go on down to businesses and we look on here, they got property management, they got recreation, which is the Lake Helmuth Resort. So if we go here to ambulance, we got these counties with their EMS dispatch. So pretty much anything and everything. Like, let's just say you guys are going down there and you guys have no idea like what you guys would like to listen to. So that's how I was whenever I went there to Los Angeles, California, okay? And this right here is San Benito County. So they got Rescue 3, which is part of the Mojave Desert Search and Rescue. Now, if we go on down, we see right here, this one's this one. So you got Channel 1 all the way to Channel 5. You guys got American Medical Response. You guys got BLS Transfer. You guys got Monons, Omega, Yuma. You guys got all these for their fire department. So you guys got this one for their volunteer fire department all the way down here, which you guys can listen to this on their Project 25 system. Countywide fire, 800 fill-ins. So this right here, low power. You guys can listen to their medical center, which honestly, that's my favorite part about using a radio scanner. Now, a lot of you guys are probably thinking, Tommy, why do you like using a radio scanner so much? That makes it really different. So the first reason why that makes it really different is that each radio input number, they do it by themselves on this now. But the FCC picks out the right radio scanner feed, which makes it really kind of different by all means. So let's just say, for instance, we are going to Madera County, and I turn you guys around and I show you guys this. So you see this right here, these are like law dispatches. I listen pretty much to these two. While I was in this county, I sometimes heard their EMS dispatch, which was really good. This one, I heard their police dispatch, their police records. That one right there was really interesting to listen to. Now this one, I listened to that one. In Tulare County, I listened to this one mostly, the Sequoia buses, which is in Visalia Sequoia National Park school buses. I tried to listen to some on their school district, but I did not know that it was during the fall break. So this is their medical center. So they got two medical centers, and they also got Sierra Vista. They got Med 2, Med 10, Med 22, which is really different. On this one, I mostly listen to their Firecom. On this one, I listen to Dispatch South and Dispatch North. Now in businesses, I found a couple of new ones on there, which I thought which was so very cool. So if we go here to their trunk radio system, pretty much the only system that I easily listen to. So if we go on back here, we click on Fresno County. On this one, I program all these in, so I got every single one on this, which made it really different, okay? This Fresno Sheriff's Office right here, 800, that's a good one to listen to no matter what. Now, Channel 8 is LineNet, which is a really good one. Their Fire District, that's another good one. This one, I mainly listen to their dispatch channels. Now this one right here, I mostly came into know like while we were driving, I listened to mostly this one because this one had like airport traffic, which I gotta find that real fast. It's under right here, Motors Dispatch. In Fresno County Linked, that's another good one. So if we go on down here, their airports, like I was there at their airport, I was listening to almost all this right here. Now SkyWest, that one came in a little bit. So Tower was good to listen to. This Fresno police office was listening good too. And another one which I thought which was really good, which was near the Yosemite National, which was near the Muskoka National Forest, which made it really kind of interesting by all means, is that you guys go there and listen to their radio feeds. You guys got a lot of different stuff, kind of like right here. These two were the only radio frequencies that I could even hear. Like I was down there, like even like going to Sequoia, I had to go back. I'm going to show you guys how easy that was. So you see this over here, and we go on down to the United States Forest Service, and we go on down here to Sequoia and Kings Country National Park, which is Sequoia National Forest, which you see that they got Channel 2, they got Channel 4, AdamantNet, and ServiceNet, which they use Portersville for their main control center there. So pretty much, I got my hands full on everything there, which was really good. So down here on this one, Sequoia and Kings County, like I heard anything that was Project 25 on here. All right. So down here on these, I got to hear some of those. But the general use, that came in really clear. So if we click on the Yosemite, I got ParkNet, I got other repeaters, I got ValleyNet, I got their LawNet sometimes and their FireNet. I got these sometimes, which sometimes these use a little too much picture on their radios. Like on one of those, somebody was putting their key codes like really good. Now on this one, I listened to this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Sadly, I wasn't at the place of this one, but on these, I heard there's shuttle buses, and I gotta tell you guys something. Their shuttle buses there were like so busy. Like, I'm gonna turn you guys around so I can tell you guys this. Their shuttle buses were like so very busy, like no matter what. Like you gotta keep your radio feeds like on top of stuff, which makes that really kind of interesting by all means. Now some also, which is really interesting by all means, it's like whenever you guys do like your research and stuff, somewhat I recommend, this is a big thing, what I usually recommend is that if you guys are going to the United States and going to like a new area, make sure you guys save your radio scanner on the right platform because that right there would help you guys out in a heartbeat. Now, now, a big thing is whenever, whenever you guys do like your research and stuff, you guys have to do non-stop research, whatever and anywhere, without a doubt. Okay. So, like, depending if you guys are close to the airport, you guys probably would not hear any airport communication. So I hope this video's helped out anybody and everybody that has watched this video before in YouTube. I will see you guys back here tomorrow, maybe tomorrow morning if I wake up early enough, and tomorrow afternoon for sure. Have a great day, you guys, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow.